Hi there, it's Dawn at Stickletown, and I'm just going to do a quick little video. This is about middle Lidl, or the middle aisle in Lidl, and the bits and pieces they have there. At the moment they're full on with their gardening stuff, and I did pick up a few bits, so I just want to show you the few bits I picked up. I have bought stuff from Lidl's before and it's been fine. I've not had a problem with it. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what I've been buying. Right, first off, I picked up this set. It doesn't come with a battery, but it is a cordless combi little hedge trimmer and a little shears. And that was $14.99. Now this is the hedge trimmer. I've now got a charged up battery on it, and it works very, very well. In fact, let me try and show you if I can do all this with one hand. Hold on a minute, let me just set the camera up. Right, I've just taken the cover off the blades, but on the top here you've got a safety switch which you have to keep pushed up. It won't operate unless that is pushed up, and then you've got a trigger underneath. Oh. Oops. Right, so you can see it does cut fairly well, and all I want it for is to keep this bit of hedge under control. And as Martin's working more and more with scaffolding, I'm having to do a lot more jobs around the place, so I need tools that I can use. So this will be a handy little tool for me. Now the battery and charger, in our store they don't have mountain display, you've got to ask for them, and the batteries are compatible with all their 20-volt tools. The battery and charger was $22.99. Oops, I've still got my hand in a cast, big glove covering it, trying to keep the muck out. $22.99, yeah. And yes, all in all I think that was very good value. Now something I have bought before from Lidl's, out the way, stick that over there, close this, are their pruning shears, and these are the ones I bought last year, and I've picked up another pair this year, and I've picked up these ones. And the reason I like, oops, sorry, you have to excuse me being a bit wobbly, the hand doesn't work too well. The reason I like them is you can alter for small hands or large hands as to how wide it opens. I need mine on the small. I can't do this with one hand. Let me prop the camera up again. I should have just put the camera on the tripod. You've got to squeeze in a bit and pull it. So that's it on a small hand. And if I go on the large hand, it opens too far for me. My fingers won't reach it. So if you've got big hands, it's good. And if you've got small hands, they're good. And I do find they're excellent quality. That's why I bought these two pairs. The ones I bought last year, they're still working well, but I wanted another pair because very often Martin will run off with mine over the fields, and then I haven't got any, and it takes a while for them to come back. Now these, let me have a look. The Anvil ones that's these ones, are £3.99, and the Universal are £3.99. So for £3.99, to me, they're on par with all the top brands, and in fact I find them better. Comfy to hold, they've got a wrist strap, and like I say, that adjustable small hand, large hand does it for me. Right, the other thing, is these. Now they came in a pack of 2, and they are garden waste bags. So they come all folded up, and you just assemble them all. And it's a pack of 2. Now the pack of 2 is £4.99. I've assembled one and I've been using it. This is the size of them. They're really big, and you've got a plastic strip here that you're pushing around the top, and that keeps it open for you. They are a nice big size. So again, it's going to be perfect for me, taking around, adding me weeds to, and then they can just go in the back of the chimney to get put over in the backfield. Oh, something else I picked up, which has nothing to do with gardening, although at some point it might come in to do with the gardening, I don't know, for repairs, a soldering station. Now the soldering station was £9.99. Now Martin has got a soldering thing of his own, but I can never find the bits to it when I need it. So over time I have been picking up my own tools, and I've picked up screwdrivers and pliers and all sorts of things like that. So this will just get added to my toolbox, and of course it's got the adjustable voltage on it as well. Now these I got, there's 3 here. I've actually got 4, and they are, I believe they're 30 litres. Let me see, how much are they? £3.79 each, and I got 2 grey and 1 green. One of them I've already got in use. I've got made some holes in the bottom, and I planted a sweet potato in, so they hold 30 litres. So now there's one other thing that I got, so I will go in the other polytunnel and I'll show you that. That's the bucket I've put in use, and I've got some plastic mesh around it for it all to ramble up through rather than trade across the floor. Right, so this was the other thing I got. 4 rolls of garden wire mesh fencing. Now they are plastic. It's one of the reasons I got them, because I want them to put up here for plants to go along. We did have stock fencing before, but I found it was sharp edges and I couldn't handle it on my own. So I've got these, and I plan to do 4 strips going across for climbing plants. These are 4 metres long by 1 metre wide, and the offcut is what I've used there. I could actually join some offcuts together, and these were £9.99 each. So now I did look online, and I could get 5 metres by 1 metre, but you were looking at about £15–16 for that, so I'm quite happy with that. So that was my middle Lidl purchases. And oh, I did pick up some geraniums as well. They were £4.99 a tray. They're going in a planting trough down the garden. Yes, I am over the moon with my little purchases, and And of course, like everything in Lidl, they don't keep them forever. So it is a case of get them while they've got them. So, thank you very much for watching my little purchases from Middle Lidl. And I'll catch up with you again soon here at a small holding in Wales.